Welcome to Best Choice. The best solar cables is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any solar power system, acting as the vital link that carries the electricity generated by your solar panels to your inverter and then to your home or the grid. Without the right cables, you risk not only reduced energy efficiency and potential power loss but also significant safety hazards due to overheating or improper insulation, making the selection of these unsung heroes a paramount decision for any solar installation, whether for residential, commercial, or industrial applications. Number 5. BougeRV Solar Y Connectors. Effortlessly connect multiple solar panels in parallel with our Y connectors. They are compatible with a wide range of solar cables, making expansion simple. These connectors are designed for the outdoors. With an IP67 waterproof rating and a stable, built-in lock, they ensure reliable performance in any weather. Certified by TV and constructed with high-quality PPO material and tin copper contacts, they offer exceptional stability across a wide temperature range. Get your solar setup running in minutes. These connectors feature a plug-and-play design with an easy-to-use locking mechanism for quick connections and disconnections. We stand behind our products. Enjoy 18 months of tech support for peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. If you need to connect multiple solar panels in parallel to increase your system's output, these Y connectors are a great choice. They offer robust IP67 waterproofing and are TV certified for high security and stable performance in extreme temperatures. Choose these if you prioritize safety and reliable parallel connections for your solar setup. What people say. The solar cables are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. These cables feature excellent conductivity, minimizing energy loss during transmission and maximizing system efficiency. The UV-resistant insulation provides superior protection against sun exposure, preventing degradation and maintaining performance over time. Number 4. 10 AWG Solar Extension Cable 50 feet. Introducing our upgraded 2.0 solar cable, now supporting DC 1500V for enhanced performance. This 50-foot extension cable comes in red and black, with universal solar connectors for easy plug-and-play setup. Designed for durability, this cable boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating. It's constructed with tin copper, offering low resistance and high load capacity, making it resistant to moisture, UV, and corrosion. Whether it's extreme heat or cold, this cable is built to last. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in any outdoor condition. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including RVs, boats, off-grid systems, and camping setups. Its generous 50-foot length provides ample reach for your solar power needs. This 10 AWG cable features a substantial internal copper core with 84 strands for optimal conductivity. It's universally compatible with most solar panel connectors, ensuring a secure connection every time. Your purchase includes a pair of 50-foot solar extension cables, black and red, with connectors on both ends, plus a handy spanner for installation. What we like. For those with larger off-grid systems or RV setups requiring extended reach, this 50 feet 10 AWG solar extension cable is ideal. It boasts an upgraded 1500V DC rating for higher voltage systems and comes with universal, plug-and-play connectors for easy integration. If you need reliable, long-distance power transfer and flexibility in your solar wiring, this cable is a solid option. What people say. The solar cables are designed with high-quality materials that ensure durability and excellent conductivity, making them suitable for long-term outdoor use. These cables feature a UV-resistant and weatherproof jacket, which protects the internal conductors from environmental damage and ensures reliable performance in various conditions. The flexible nature of the solar cables allows for easy installation and routing, even in tight spaces, without compromising their structural integrity. Number 3. ECO-worthy 13 PCS Solar Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for solar panel cable assembly. It features a wire crimper, solar connectors, and spanner wrenches, all neatly organized in a durable zipper case. The included crimper is built for precision with high-carbon steel jaws and an ergonomic handle made from PP plus TTR material. It ensures a secure and reliable connection every time. Make your solar installation process smoother with these specially designed spanner wrenches. They provide the leverage you need for effortless tightening and loosening of solar connectors. This kit comes with 10 pairs of high-quality solar connectors made from PPO material. They are equipped with crimp terminals designed to fit most standard solar cables. We've focused on an ergonomic design for all the tools in this kit. Every component is crafted with user convenience in mind, making your solar projects easier to manage. What we like. If you're embarking on a new solar panel installation or need to make repairs and want everything in one place, this comprehensive 13-piece toolkit is perfect. It includes a high-quality crimper, a generous 10 pairs of solar connectors, and spanner wrenches, all neatly organized in a durable zipper case. This kit is designed for ease of use and ensures you have all the essential components for professional solar cable assembly. What people say. The cables are made of high-quality copper, ensuring excellent conductivity and durability. The UV-resistant outer jacket provides superior protection against environmental degradation, extending the cable's lifespan. The flexible design makes installation easy, even in tight spaces. Number 2. ECO-worthy 20 feet 10 AWG solar extension cable. Introducing our premium solar extension cable, designed for maximum durability and reliability. It ensures stable power transfer even in challenging humidity levels. This cable offers universal compatibility with most solar connectors. Its IP67 waterproof rating protects against faults in any weather, from freezing to high temperatures. Set up your solar array 80% faster with our pre-attached, color-coded wires. This plug-and-play design makes installation incredibly simple and quick. Engineered with a UV-resistant jacket and tested for over 2,000 bend cycles, this cable is built for longevity. It also boasts 98% dust-proof efficiency. Our 20 feet cables are precisely engineered for solar arrays. They are designed for over 25 years of deployment, whether on rooftops or buried directly. Featuring a tin copper core, it offers 3 times the corrosion resistance of bare copper. This ensures a long-lasting, stable connection for your power needs. What we like. For installations requiring precise cable lengths and superior durability, especially for rooftop or direct burial applications, this 20 feet 10 AWG solar extension cable is an excellent selection. Its tinned copper core offers 3 times the corrosion resistance of bare copper, ensuring long-term stable power transfer. If you value longevity, ease of identification with pre-attached red-black wires, and a setup optimized for 25-plus-year deployments, consider this option. What people say. The cables are made of high-quality copper, ensuring excellent conductivity and durability. They are UV-resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures, making them suitable for outdoor use. The insulation is robust and provides superior protection against abrasion and chemical exposure. Number 1. BougeRV Solar Crimper Tool Kit. Introducing the BougeRV Solar Crimper Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for solar panel cable assembly and installation. This comprehensive kit is designed to make your work easier and more accurate. With this complete toolkit, you can install solar connectors with ease and precision. It provides everything you need for a smooth and efficient setup. Experience high-quality crimping every time thanks to its accurate design. The precise molds and locking mechanism ensure consistent results for 2.546 mm superscript 2 cables, even with repeated use. The humanized handle design makes it comfortable and energy-saving to use. It comes with a set of dies integrated into the handles for your convenience. This tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, including solar connector crimping and general solar PV tool kit needs. It's an essential for any solar installation project. Your package includes 1 pair of wire crimpers, 6 pairs of solar panel connectors, and 1 pair of solar connector spanners, ensuring you have all the necessary components. What we like. If you're looking for a dedicated tool to ensure high-quality crimps for your solar connectors, this BougeRV Crimper Tool Kit is a great choice. It features accurate crimping molds with a complete locking mechanism for consistent results and an energy-saving humanized handle design for comfortable use. This kit is ideal for DIYers and professionals who prioritize precision and reliability in their solar cable assembly. What people say. The solar cables are designed for outdoor use and have excellent UV resistance, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. These cables feature a high-quality copper conductor that provides efficient power transmission with minimal energy loss. The insulation material is robust and flame retardant, offering superior protection against electrical hazards and fire risks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.